Disclaimer. This video is based entirely on publicly available information, government reports, patents, and current technology trends. We are not predicting or endorsing any events. This is purely educational so you can understand the tech shaping tomorrow. Pre-martial law 2025 and beyond, the deep tech reality you must know. This is not your typical digital asset channel. We are not here to push coins and disappear. We are pro-asset accumulation. We are pro-knowledge. We are pro-education. We are pro-awareness. We are pro-building both digital and physical assets, including real-world assets like land, property, and infrastructure. We show you the real systems being built behind the scenes, what governments and tech corporations are deploying, and why you need to understand them. Now, not later. Humanoid robots on street patrol. AI drone surveillance over cities and rural areas. Face-scanning cameras at transit, stores, and entry points. Wristbands, glasses, and apps tracking your health, movement, even emotions. Smart checkpoints requiring scans to access services or payments. Brainwave monitoring and cognitive tracking are no longer futuristic. Neurable, Kernel, and Neuralink are testing wearable tech that reads stress levels, focus, and emotional state. These tools are being integrated into public spaces and workplaces. Potential for behavioral scoring, psychological profiling, automated access control. Smart cities in cities like Shanghai, Dubai, London, New York are combining face recognition, location tracking, and personal ID systems. China connects social credit and facial data to control public access. Western cities now pilot predictive policing, AI checkpoint systems, and citywide monitoring. Health surveillance is expanding. Wearables feed biometric data to central systems for early detection. Smart contact lenses, digital twins, and AI diagnosis systems emerge. Potential benefits exist, but privacy abuse and unauthorized decision-making are pressing concerns. Central bank digital currencies and UBI pilots. Countries like China, Nigeria, the EU, and India test CBDCs tied to identity and behavior compliance. With digital ID access and UBI delivery conditional on meeting biometric and behavioral standards, known compliance may block access to income or services. The metaverse is not a playground, it is a control grid. Digital avatars tokenize real estate and immersive work, but for the asset poor and disconnected, it becomes mandatory. It's a monitored environment where all actions, speech, and behavior are recorded. We are not promoting it. We are warning you about being forced into it. You can either accumulate assets or rely on it. This channel has taught free tools, apps, and referral methods. But most people watch passively or ignore opportunities. Using referral links benefits both you and the creator, yet many leave value behind. Legal risks of AI systems. Asking legal, spiritual, or emotional queries to AI systems while logged in can expose you. Google search history logs have been used in criminal keyword warrant cases, court documents, and AI logs have served as evidence of intent. Once login is mandatory for every AI tool, your queries can be subpoenaed or indexed. Pushbacks and risks. AI and surveillance tools are criticized globally. Protests in Europe, Australia, Canada, and the UK over facial scanning and digital IDs. Privacy advocacy groups like the Electronic Frontier Foundation and AI Now institute demand regulation. Lawsuits challenge predictive policing, drone surveillance, behavioral scoring, yet many protests face censorship or legal blockages. Why this channel is different? We show the real technology behind the headlines. We teach asset building with context on how tech affects your freedom. We do not hype coins or push speculation. We educate and help you develop situational awareness. Prepare. Be aware. Stay ahead. This is not fear-mongering. This is education. Subscribe if you found real value here. Sources will be listed at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Sources: Dubai Police Robot Pilot Program, dubaipolice.gov.aa, Neuralink Brain Interface Development, Neuralink.com, China Facial Recognition Expansion, BBC.com, U.S. Drone Surveillance Trial Summary, Wired.com, WEF Digital Identity and CBDC Overview, WeForum.org. ChatGPT legal risk case, Bloomberg.com. Google keyword warrant case, APnews.com. Google Incognito, privacy violation settlement, BBC.com. Search history's used as court evidence overview, culturehash.com.